Straight from Alpha Centauri. Tonight, we're gonna draw the visitor. Is this guy really from another planet? Only the other Sinistras know for sure. Codenamed as Alien Weirdo, Ruler of Countless Souls. Hey, careful when you're using that thing, Mom! I'm busy! Yeah, the visitor has his own mother. As I mentioned before, he's from a planet called Alpha Centauri, and he has a spacecraft that he flies into battle. Oh yeah, and he has laser eyes. And there he is, folks. That's how you draw the visitor.